Want to write faster and smarter with Dola AI? Yeah. Whether it's blogs, emails, scripts, or social media posts, Dola AI can help you get more done in less time. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how. First, open Dola AI and start a new chat. Think of this as your blank page where all your content creation begins. If Dola AI offers specialized writing bots, pick one. These bots are optimized to generate content quickly, from blogs and articles to social media captions and scripts. To get faster, high-quality output, write clear prompts. Include topic or subject, style or tone, and word count or length. The more specific you are, the better and faster the AI writes. Create templates for content you write regularly. This could be weekly blogs, emails, or captions. Templates save time because you don't have to type the same instructions over and over. Once templates are set, reuse them for automation. Generate multiple pieces of content quickly without starting from scratch. This is where Dola AI really speeds up your workflow. Always take a moment to review and tweak the AI output. Small edits keep content polished and consistent, making your writing professional without slowing you down. And that's it. Open a chat, pick a writing bot, create clear prompts, use templates, automate tasks, and refine your outputs. With Dola AI, writing faster isn't just possible, it's easy.